As I started a series of lectures about the MCQs from MDCAT 2024 KMU paper, so this lecture is from that series, and today I will explain the question: the wings of birds and that of the flying lizard provide evidence of. Here, option A is convergent evolution, and B is divergent, and then C no evolution, and D is same origin. Okay, so in this lecture, note down, I will explain the difference between the convergent and divergent evolution, and secondly, I will explain homologous as well as analogous structures. Okay, now I'm starting my lecture, and you create a number of MCQs related to this. So note down each and every point related to the convergent, divergent, homologous, analogous, and many more. So here the wings of the birds and the flying and that of the flying lizards. Lizards belong to reptiles. These are reptiles. And the birds, aves, are birds. You can use aves are birds, and aves, reptiles, mammals, pisces, amphibians, they all are the classes of the vertebrates, means the higher organisms. So aves and reptiles, which are the vertebrates, they belong to two different classes. So their ancestors are different, and you know that the reptiles, rough skin animals, and birds having wings, they can fly. But here is the case where the flying lizard, means the lizard can fly with the help of the wings. Now here I will clear the concept first. The origin of wings. Origin of wings in both cases, in two different species, they are totally different species and having different genera, different classes. So the origin, or you can say the anatomical origin or evolution, is totally different in both species. In birds, in case of the birds, wings originated, or you can say that they are form of, what wings are the form of in case of the birds? Four limbs. These limbs are basically the modification of the four limbs. These are the hind limbs, must keep it in your mind. That one is the hind limb in both cases, and this one is the forelimb. You can see in case of the lizard, forelimb is clear and wings are also clear. So in case of the birds, the wings originated from the forelimbs, modification of the forelimbs. And in case of the lizard or reptile, these wings are actually the modification of the ribs with skin flap. You can see this is the skin flap, and these are the forelimbs. So these wings are what? They are originated from the ribs with the skin flap. So this is the first concept which I want to clear, which depends upon its origin. So when you say that their anatomical origin is totally different from each other, one from the forelimbs and the other from the ribs, so you can say their origin, their species, their ancestors are totally different, but they share the similar environment. Must keep into your mind. They both share the similar, yes, same environment. They are sharing the similar environment, living in the same environment means, but their ancestors are different. Their anatomical origin, or you can say that origin of the wings in both cases are different. So such type of the traits in which the ancestors, different ancestors, different species sharing the same environment, must keep it in your mind. Note down: different ancestor, different species means, but sharing the same environment, similar environment, and having different anatomical origin of the traits. In one birds, you say that the wings are originated from the forelimbs, modification of forelimbs, but in the other case, the lizard, the wings are the modification of the ribs along with the skin flap. So totally different. Such traits, such structures are known as, I'm clearing the concept, such structures are known as what? Analogous. I'm sharing here. You can see this is the analogous structure. Analogous structure means analogous, different. Why they are called analogous? Because their origin, you can see here, their origin is totally different. Now I'm giving you another example. The example of the bat, the example of the butterfly, insect wings, bat wings, birds wings, they all are different species. This, I'm showing you, this bat is mammal, this is invertebrate, arthropods, and this bird is avi. So they are belonging to different species, different groups, but their wings are performing the same function. Must keep it in your mind. Their wings are performing the same flying. They all use their wings for flying purposes. Origin is different. Origin of evolution is totally different. But their structure, their functions are similar. They are sharing the same function. They use their wings for flying. So such traits, such structures, such characters are known as analogous. Having different origin, but same function. So here, another example, I'm clearing the homologous organs. These are the analogous organs or analogous structures of homologous structures. Now clear your concept about the homologous structures or homologous organs. Man, human being means human being, then cheetah, then whale, then bat. They all are mammals. They are all the mammals. But these mammals are subdivided into groups like whale, like cheetah, like human being, like bat. Bat, belong to the different group of the mammals. Whale belong to the different. Similarly, cheetah belong to, man belong to different. So they all are the mammals, and their organs, like you say that human being forelimbs, यानी आपके बाजू, your hands, cheetah की these two forelimbs, इसी तरह whale के यहाँ पे जो flippers for floating purposes, और यहाँ पे bat wings for flying purposes. They all have different functions because they adopt different environment. Whale live in the water, bat fly, live on the trees. So cheetah जो है ज़मीन पे है, human भी, So they all have four limbs, but their four limbs are modified in different organs depending upon their different environmental condition. Their environment is different, but their origin is same origin. All four limbs of the cheetah, man, whale, flippers, wings of the bat, they all are the modification of the four limbs. ये सब की सब modification of four limbs की. Must keep it in your mind. So such organs, such characters, such traits are what? आप कहते हो these are homologous because their origin is same, but their function is different. Such organs are known as homologous structures which have similar origin. Same origin means ancestors are sharing same ancestors, but different environment. Such characters, such traits, such organs are known as homologous organs. These are the analogous organs. So analogous means their origin is what? Their ancestors are different, but their functions are same. And their functions are different, but their origin is same. So this is the difference between the homologous and analogous. Now I'm moving towards the convergent and divergent. So convergent and evolution, here I have explained that the wings of the lizard and the wings of the birds both have the same function but different origin. So the MCQ related to analogous and homologous is clear. Such organs are analogous. Such organs are what? They are analogous organs. But the evolution is convergent evolution because they are sharing in case of the convergent evolution is that type of evolution in which the species belong to different ancestors sharing the similar environment. ठीक है. और जो ऑर्गन्स इसमें डेवलप होंगे, अब एनवायरनमेंट सेम है, सिमिलर एनवायरनमेंट शेयर कर रहे हैं, अपने अपने तौर पे एवोल्यूशन हो रहा है, लेकिन उनके फंक्शंस क्या हैं? सेम है. अब उनके फंक्शंस जो कि सिमिलर एनवायरनमेंट को शेयर करें डिफरेंट एंसेस्टर्स के साथ, और वो डिफरेंट एंसेस्टर्स अलग अलग एवोल्यूशन हो उनकी, लेकिन उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सेम हो, उनकी सेम एरिया, वो environmental conditions को same environmental condition में they are living, such evolution is known as convergent. And the divergent evolution is that type of evolution in which the ancestors, the species belonging to the same ancestors but undergo the evolution in different areas. इसमें आप ये एग्जाम्पल लिए जैसे फिंचेस जो हैं, डॉवेंस की फिंचेस यानी फिंचेस बर्ड, उनकी जो बीक्स थी, इफ द सेम बर्ड ग्रोइंग इन आर यू कैन से दैट लिविंग इन डिफरेंट एनवायरमेंट्स, देयर बीक्स मॉडिफाई इन डिफरेंट वेज, किसी में छोटी होंगी, किसी में बड़ी होंगी, तो वो भी क्या है? दैट इज़ द डाइवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन. यानी एंसेस्टर्स सेम, like in case of the homologous organ, ancestors same but evolution in different environment. So the origin of evolution means the anatomical origin is same. Anatomical origin is same but the function is different. So here the correct option is convergent evolution. Convergent evolution means different species, different ancestors sharing the same environmental condition. Such type of the evolution is known as convergent evolution. So birds and lizards which have wings for flying but their origin different, such evolution is known as convergent type of evolution. I hope so the concept related to homologous, analogous, convergent, divergent clear. So for more lectures, you can contact me for the online classes. Thank you.